drive installed right there. Have the wire coming out into the SATA port on the motherboard. So I have the one coming out, pop there, and then this one right here. This is the cable that connects the drive to the motherboard. So one's the power and the other one is the data cable. So one powers, one data. So this is power, this is data, and that's good. It worked out great. I just booted up the system and I have both drives now showing. I have the solid state drive, which is only a half a terabyte, 500 gigs on the solid state drive. Very small, but that's okay. And then I have a 2 terabyte storage drive on the system that I have right there when it works great. So now I'm gonna close up the case because I just don't wanna deal with the side case anymore. So we're gonna make the wires nice and tidy and neat, and we're done to go. What's interesting about this particular system is that I've got two more power connectors right here. That's what this one right there is. I got 2 more of those ready to power any device I want. The problem is that I don't have any more SATA ports. You can see right there, I got the one for the solid state drive. That's the black cable going into that bottom one. And then the red one going into the storage drive. But I don't have any more SATA ports. I don't see them. I don't know. I don't see them. So because of that reason, I think I'm only limited to 2 drives unless I go USB. So there you go. All right, we'll see you soon.